recording. This is after that hellacious burnout.
Brand new tire, less than 100 miles on her.
Look at that goober.
3/4 of that tire's gone.
Oh, she'll last the rest of the summer.
Yeah,
Hell no it won't.
Like that it won't.
You better glue that shit back on, man. That's deep.
That's about 80 of the 100 right there.
Well, there's first. We got second. There's third. Fourth. Coming around the corner. Melbers. Oops, there's fifth. Horizon.
Roadstar Yamaha.
Yes, that be frickin' smoking on the horizon.